Today I'm at Bernheim Forest in Kentucky, and this place beckons you to slow down the moment you arrive.
Some places don't call for attention. They lower the volume instead. The air feels cooler here, heavier with pine, damp earth, and thyme. Every step slows the body and quiets the mind. There's a presence in this forest, not something that you can name, but something you can feel.
And then Bernheim surprises you. Giant number 1.
Color appears in unexpected places, deep greens, weathered browns, and sudden flashes of red. Life insisting on being seen, even in stillness. Ancient guardians rise from the landscape, woven from wood and patience. They don't watch over the forest, they belong to it. The ground tells stories: fallen trees, soft decay, new growth, mushrooms blooming where endings once stood. Nothing here is wasted.
There's definitely evidence of a beaver population. Check out this stump.
Water gathers and waits, shaped by quiet engineers that you never see. Balance, not control, guides this place. Protection without interference. Nature, allowed to be nature. And then another figure emerges, not demanding, just present, rooted, and patient. A stone rests in its grasp, heavy with memory, worn smooth by centuries of weather and waiting. This forest doesn't rush you. It doesn't ask anything from you. It simply offers space. Space to breathe, space to notice, space to remember that you don't have to travel far to feel grounded again. Sometimes the quiet is the destination.
Sometimes the most meaningful journeys happen just outside your front door. I hope you enjoyed this trip to Bernheim Forest in Kentucky. If you get a chance, get out and explore things in your own backyard. Until we talk to you again next time, y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.